I'm going to show you how to earn income simply by suggesting a product or a service to somebody else. Watch. If you're in the travel industry, Google best travel affiliate programs and it'll take you to different options. I chose the Affiliate page and it gives you different affiliate programs like Booking.com, Viator, Discover Cars, Rental Cars. I mean, the list goes on. If you're into real estate, here are a few real estate programs I found. If you're into beauty, you can sign up for Elizabeth Arden, Sephora, MAC, Ulta, the list goes on and on. If you're into finance, Acorns has an affiliate program, Binance, Personal Capital, so on and so forth. Credit Karma. Here are a few common ones like Amazon, Temu, Shein. Those are all really common affiliate programs. They're low ticket affiliate programs. If you sign up for Digistore 24, you can find both middle and more high ticket affiliate programs. This one right here is about crypto, if that's your thing, and you can earn about $350 per sale that they make. Same here, Project Serenity, you can earn $472 per sale that they make. The best way to do this is to make sure you come to my YouTube page and go to this video, #1 Passive Income Secret, and you can put it all together. I show you how to put it all together. What I did show you is a way that you can use affiliate programs to earn income, but you can also create a product like an ebook, and they're not as hard as people think. You can come here to my page and go to this Create Journals for Passive Income. It says journals, but you can do it for books too. This video will show you how to create pretty much your own ebook that will be Amazon KDP ready, so you don't have to have a formatter. And you can link those to your offers. And you'll just create tutorials or just give it a review or some information about whatever you like. And then you can link your ebook or your affiliate link in the description of your video. Now, if you want more tips of how to put this all together so that you can be earning income this summer, make sure to subscribe to my Passive Income CEO YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok. Get my free ebook and let's get started. All right, talk to you later. Bye.